Hi everyone. I decided to treat myself to a little Halloween haul since I love Halloween so much, and since I'm doing my series, so I decided to treat myself. So these are the goodies I got, and I'm too excited to use them and try them. The first thing, I had an idea for this dye from waffle flour. So I got this. I love grouping things in like different shapes. So I have an idea for a card. So I'm going to try this. So this one is called, what is it called? Outline Circles Die. And I just got a pocket for it. I bought a bunch of the pockets. Bought like a couple of packs of the pockets, which I love from waffle flour. You only get like 3 in a pack for like $4. But I love that they're sturdy and nice. So I got this die. Then from Brutus Monroe, I actually bought this from on Simon's stamp. And it has a bunch of Halloween images. I think they're super cute. So I can't wait to use them. And my favorite is the zombie for some reason. So I got this, and this one is called Spooky Kids. Oops, sorry for the glare. Spooky Kids. Then at MFT, I got this bunch of stencils. This one, watercolor wash square, and it comes in 2 pieces. So I'm dying to try this, so I could do some really neat backgrounds. Yeah. Then this one is the rectangle watercolor wash rectangle, and then this one is watercolor free form, because this is just like, I can't wait to create background. Let me push this out of the way. So I got those 3, and then I got this one, which is watercolor splash. So watercolor splash freeform, watercolor splash rectangle, and square. Then also from MFT is this sweet little spell. It's a little cute little witch. She's super cute. I can't wait to dress her up when I color her. So I got that. Then from Whimsy Stamps, I don't know how my thing got cut, but from Whimsy Stamps I got this die set. And I love that the way it cuts. So it has 3 windows, and it's a Slimline. This one is called Slimline Observation Deck Die. And they showed it with some aliens, which I actually bought some of the alien dies to go with it. And it's these. I thought the aliens were super cute. Check this one out with the long legs. Remind me of myself. Long legs. So I got the aliens. This one is called Space Aliens. And then this one, to the little cute little aliens. I can't wait to use them. This is Space Minions. So I got that from Whimsy. And also from Whimsy, continuing the Halloween theme, we got Dracula Going Batty. And these are like outlines you can show in the darkness in your cards, or in your scrapbook images or whatever. This one is Monster Parade. And a parade of monsters in the background somewhere. And check out the guy with his head in his hand. And he's charging. So that's Monster Parade. And then this one, can't wait to try her. And bats and stuff. What is this? Is that the moon or something? Anyway, this one is called Elvira Moonlighting. So it's Elvira, Mistress of Darkness. Then also from from MFT, I got this free with 60, and it's itty bitty booze. It's little bitty Halloween sentiments. Super cute. Then from Tim Holtz, this came from Tim Holtz new. No, this one is actually an older one, I believe. Yes. This one is called Haunted. And I can't wait to cut this haunted house out in a card. Or card. And these are new. And as you can see, I did the pumpkin head, I think it's called, in my second card video. And that also was a part of the new release. And this is pumpkin patch, and it comes in also layers. Then we have, look at the skeleton. He's too cute. Too cute to be scary. He's Mr. Bones. Mr. Bones. Mr. Bones is trying to be scary. Then we have, he is so cute, I'm telling you. This is the Count. Look how he has his nose in the air like, don't bother me. But he's too cute. Can't wait to put him together also. And then my favorite in the collection was this. Oh, cute. Check out the back eyes. Oh my god. This one is Costume Party. So cute. And then finally, I got this from the Greeting Farm. And when I saw it, I mean, all the girls were cute. But then I spotted, I spotted her. And since I'm a Halloween card making lover, I had to get the set just because of her. I don't know if you guys can see her. Well, let's see. These are my favorite on there. Let's put it on the white so you can see her better. Look at that. Isn't she so cute? All the other girls are cute too. This one is in the rain. This one looks like she's going to school. This one looks like she's traveling on her cell phone, went grocery shopping. This one is going to the beach, I guess. This one has candy, so I guess, I don't know, she's going on a date maybe. This one is Christmas. 4th of July, it looks like Independence. Oh, this is Valentine's. I guess it's different times of the year. And then Halloween. What's the name of this? The Greeting Farm, Miss Anya, all year. Okay. So I guess it's July, December, February. I guess this is summertime. She's going on vacation. She's going to school. She's on the phone chatting. Going to grocery shopping. And then, of course, on Halloween. And the first time I made my first purchase from Waffle Flower. And what I got was their beautiful paper pads. Paper sets or paper pads. And these are so beautiful. I got all of them except for, I think it was the one with everything is gray and white. I didn't get that one. But I figured all these colors can be used in Halloween cards. So I got these two. This is Christmas, Enchanted. Wait a minute. It's either dots or lines. So I got all the dots colors. This is Enchanted, Christmas, Unicorn, Botanical, Caprice. Then I got In the Lines. I got Enchanted, Unicorn, Christmas, Botanical, Caprice, and these two were my favorite. So this one is JJ's Rainbows. I'm just gonna flip through it, and I thought these were so pretty. So I got JJ's Rainbows. This is the Christmas one, and I love the colors in this one. Look at that. Ooh, 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 ooh. I love this one. And you get three of each designs, if I'm not mistaken. And then I had one of the packs open for just the dots and the lines. So the lines look like this, and it comes in different colors. Settings. Oh, this is one of my favorite combination right here. And then the dots, of course, come with dots. So just got some more Halloween stuff from whimsystamps.com. So I said, let me add this onto this video. So I got the Boo die set, and I love these ghosts, and they're cute. Then the Eek die, Word and Shadow die, and Zombie Faces. You know, I got a smaller version of this. This is a background stamp. All the zombies. My favorite show, Walking Dead. And Scream Time has a bunch of scenes, like for the graveyard, I guess. I love this sign. So I got that stamp set. It's called Scream Time. Then this one with zombies again. Check him out. Ooh. And a bunch of zombie images. This one is called Zombie Party. Boop, boop. And I got this stencil, Halloween Expressions. Ooh, look at this one. Scary. And this huge one you can use on a Slimline. It's the Haunted Graveyard Border die. So you get two bunch of trees, some little bats, and the house. And these you can use for the moon. That's cool. Then I got this Slimline Hourglass. Totally cool. I like that it has the thing that imitates that whatever it is falling through. And it made me think of some kind of shaker where the shaker can go back and forth. Love that. Nice. And this one, my favorite. Look at that. The spider webs are so real looking. Ooh, look at the spiders. Creepy. Then I also got some this little embellishment for like shaker cards. It's called Halloween Bats Clay Embellishments. And this one is Halloween Magic Clay embellishments. These are from Pretty Pink Posh, and I got them on Simon Says stamp. Then I got the glow in the dark embossing powder from Lawn Fawn. And then a bunch of mica sprays from Tim Holtz, from Ranger. So these are the metallics. And then I got the Halloween set that came out a few weeks ago. All my pretty colors. I'm gonna try to do them, use them on a card soon. Look like this one's spinning. And I also got the Halloween paste, texture paste, and mica flakes glitter. So these are all the Halloween set. And then I also got the new Distress ink prize ribbon. I got it in the oxide and also in the regular Distress ink. And that's it.